Dax ain't did it, it ain't right.
The boys better make the right choice.
Fuck this club up. Fuck this club up. Fuck this club up. Fuck this club up. Fuck this club.
Okay, that's better. Hey guys, so today is a little bit of a different setup because I'm lazy to do a setup. So, you know, I'm just sitting right in front of my vanity table to do a makeup look. So for today's makeup look, we're going to do a moodier version of ginger ale. Ginger ale? How do you even say it? I actually don't know, but I think it sounds better when it says ale, but I think it's ginger ale. I have no idea. But anyways, it's been a while, and happy May. Happy May, it's May, and I think good things are coming this May, and I am so excited for this month. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. For the primer, I am using the ETUDE Black Primer. I think I pumped a little bit too much, but I'm going to go ahead and use Wet n Wild foundation, and it doesn't come with a pump, it comes with this, so I'll just put a little bit on my back of my hand, which I need to moisturize. It's looking a little bit flaky, and I'm just going to damp it on to my face. To be honest, you don't really need a lot. Honestly, nobody goes out. I just, you know, with the pandemic and stuff, I'm using a beauty blender to blend everything in. And for the concealer, I am using the Maybelline Concealer Age Rewind. Yeah, I've been having, like, even if I can't sleep that early, I still wake up at like 8 and then I just literally play on my phone, which is really unproductive. But you know, I'm gonna be a little bit busy soon, so I'm literally just enjoying my time being able to having a lay-in. So just do what makes you happy, and you know, all the good stuff. And for the blush, I'm using the CANMAKE Cheek in the shade 16. I have not yet to use this, so I'm actually excited to use this today since it's my first time, and it's a very neutral tone. In real life, I don't know why it looks more warmer in the camera, but it's very neutral. So I am going to dip my beauty blender and stamp it onto the apples of my cheeks. Hopefully it transfers. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. But to be honest, I think I should just use my fingers, but since we're already here, might as well use it. There you go. And then I'll use my fingers on the other side. And moving along, I am just going to set it using my trusty old pressed powder from the Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade 005 Silky Beige. I'm using a very smaller brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. Going to set the under my eye because I want my skin to look a little bit more glowy, even though I used the black primer too much, so now my face looks matte. Set my forehead and tip of my nose. Moving on to the contour, I'm using the Body Shop, which is their old Color Crush eyeshadow, which I probably need to throw this away. I've been using this for ages, so. But you know, use anything that you want to contour with your face. This one's this one. I don't know why, but I keep using it. Like, honestly, I just love this product. I don't want to let go of it just yet. It's actually one of my product. So, and then for the nose, I am using this dual-ended brush that I've been using for the longest time. I just love the brush from it. It's literally from contour my nose with this. Using the eyebrow mascara from ETUDE House. I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Proof 10 Eye Primer from ETUDE House. Since I'm going to use more neutral colors, it's literally just a brownie color, I am gonna go ahead and use a KBD palette and using this shade, these two shades, somehow make it work. If it doesn't work, oh my god. But you're just using this to apply it all over my eyelids and hope for the best. Changed my mind. I did not want it to be that one, but I'm going to use this one in the middle instead. I actually don't know the color, but it says definer. I'm using a bullet brush from e.l.f. as well, and I'm using this color here to darken the ends of my eyeshadow. That color to blend everything in. And then I'm going back to this palette from the Color Icon palette, and then I'm going to dip into the crease and apply all over my crease. I feel like it needs a little bit of glitter, but I don't want to have a glitter. I don't know, I feel like it needs a little bit more glimmer. I'm using the BBA, the shade 14. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using the MACQUEEN New York gel liner. I've been using this. Yesto has sent this to me and I've been using it a lot, and I actually really do like it. They're very creamy and it's also waterproof. I don't know about the waterproof aspect of it, but if you don't get it wet, it stays on, it stays put. And I like the way it looks in my eyes, so I'm going to tightline my
Boys better make the right choice.
I feel like I haven't put eyeliner for the very longest time that tightlining my eyes has become teary. Oh, well. The Matrixy a volume, and long and curl lash from Heroine makeup. Honestly, this has always been my staple if I have like to get rid all of my mascaras and keep two. It's this and the ETUDE House's Fix Curl Mascara I'm going to keep. Moving on to the highlighter, I want to use a very glowy one. So I'm using the Cleopatra's Kiss. I think in the Sphinx, I think this one. Oh my god. And then using a bullet brush from Zoeva, I'm using the same thing and applying it into the points of my nose. Gonna use my fingers. And since I don't want the line to be very apparent, I'm using a Q-tip to blur out the edges. I'm using the Gosh lipstick in number 12, shade Raisin. This is the color of it. I'm using it to put inside the inner corners of my lips. And you're done. I went ahead and styled my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed the look. It's been a while, but I am so happy that I was able to film this with a new fringe, and I hope you did like it. I feel like having a fringe does make a look either really cute or a little bit more moodier and less hassle for the eyebrows, which is I totally dig. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.